Hi all, welcome back to Annie's Curried Life once again, and today's video is about a very easy lunch or dinner idea, which is jeera rice with dal fry. And today I'm going to be sharing my way of preparing jeera rice and dal fry. So without much further ado, let's get started with the video. So here I've shown you what all ingredients I need to prepare dal fry, and here's chopped onion, chopped tomatoes, green chilies, coriander leaves, ghee, boiled arhar dal which I've boiled with a little bit of turmeric powder and salt. So here I've taken a pan and I'm going to be adding some ghee to it because I like ghee instead of oil when I cook dal fry. So after that I'll be adding hing to it and saute it for a while, and then I'll be adding whole jeera to it. So when jeera releases its amazing aroma, I'll be adding dried red chilies to it, but I'm going to be breaking it into 2 to 3 pieces so that I get a very nice flavor out of it. And after that I'll be adding the chopped onion and saute it till it turns translucent in color. So now the onion has turned translucent in color and I've added green chilies to it. I'll also be adding some ginger garlic paste. Here I'm adding some ready-made ginger garlic paste. So I like to fry this mixture a bit so that the raw flavor goes away. And now I've added chopped tomatoes to it and I'll be again saute it very well. Adding little salt to it as per taste. Saute it for a while and I'll cover and cook it for some time so that the tomatoes turns mushy. Now I'm adding some turmeric powder, coriander powder, which is a very important ingredient when you are preparing dal fry. Cooking for me is like a stress reliever. When I am upset, when I'm angry, when I'm not kind of liking anything, I just love to go to the kitchen and try my hands on something that I love, or maybe some new recipes, and I just love to go ahead and try. So here my mixture or the masala is ready and I am adding the boiled arhar dal which I had boiled with some salt and turmeric, and I had kept it in the fridge. So I'm going to be mixing it very well now, and then adding hot water to it, mixing it well again, and I'll cover and cook it for some time, and that's it. The dal fry is ready to be served hot. And now I'll be preparing jeera rice, which is one of a very favorite rice item in my family. So here I've added ghee again, which is my favorite, and I've added 2 elaichis and some bay leaf to it. And here I'm adding the main ingredient of this recipe, which is whole jeera, and I'll wait till it releases its aroma because this is the main ingredient when you're preparing jeera rice. So here I am adding the rice to it. I am not adding the basmati rice here because I did not had it, and here the rice which I'm using is Sona Masuri rice. So the rice is almost ready and I'm adding coriander leaves to it. So here my dal fry and jeera rice is ready. So yeah, that's about it. I hope you like this video and the recipe. Do try it out at home and let me know in the comment section below how you liked it. Friends, so follow me on Facebook and Instagram for latest and interesting updates on your favorite channel, Annie's Curried Life. Till then, bye bye.